Guys, welcome back. The Ghost here. What I got for you today is a Bell U-Lock bicycle lock. Picked this up at Walmart. I think it was, I don't know, somewhere about 15, anywhere from 15 to 20 bucks. But this one's got a Dimple core in it. Keys are still attached to the side here, but you can see how the key is cut into the blade of the key. There's your keyway, and you can see it works exactly like it's a standard pin tumbler, only instead of being set vertically with the pins interacting with teeth cut on the key, it's set horizontally with dimples cut into the key. So anyway, we're going to use our Sparrow's Black Flag kit, and I'm just going to use a Z-bar for my tension. And I've got my, let's see if I can give you guys a look at this here. Just a flag, standard, no curve whatsoever. This is just a straight up. Now the only difference between this and the way it comes in the factory is I've actually taken my file and I filed the top edge on both sides and the bottom edge on both sides. You might be able to kind of see that a little bit. And then I took sandpaper and I cleaned it all up so that it didn't have any burrs or catches or anything on it. Makes it a lot smoother, a lot easier to slide in and out of the lock, to be able to manipulate those pins. Alright, so I'm going to basically index off of the this side here, which is the same side the pins are on. And you see the other side just wide open. It is locked. I try and keep you guys, keep it in frame, but I gotta kind of look up here. I have a hard time doing this through the camera. I think I just overset the one in the back. Alright, let's recock and go again. So yeah, let's see, if I hold it up like this, you guys should still kind of be able to see what's going on, and I can still see a little bit, or better than I could before. I think I was doing better when I couldn't see. There we go. All right, there's our open. So there you can see, if you got the right tools and you spend a little bit of time and some practice, you kind of you can not too bad a pick. Didn't feel like I had any security pins on any of that. It felt like it was all straightforward. So and you can see, I'll go ahead and show you just real quick, the locking pulls on this one, or locking bar, is basically, you can see them come into play right there, where it's just a rounded piece of steel on the inside of there that rotates around. So when it's locked up, it engages on these two cutouts on the shackle here, and then there's your lock right there. So pretty basic, pretty simple, not too bad a pick. That's all I got for you today. So thanks for watching. Till next time, keep it legal.